So back at the pond for snakehead, dalag, known locally. Going to chase some bungus and some tilapia too. Apparently there's some big tilapia in here, you know, up to 1.5 kilo. As I say, if you catch tilapia or bungus here, you have to pay per kilo. It's 160 pesos, which is about 5 Australian dollars. And we can take those home and eat them. So we'll try for them a little bit later. At the moment, I want to catch that big dalag that I dropped. This is the spot that I hooked that big one last time. It is a little bit early in the afternoon, but it's overcast, so we'll see. It's going to stand back a little bit, cast into the hole with my little rubber frog again. As you can see, those hooks set up into the body there, protected from the weed. It's a little bit bent out of shape for some reason, but it's all good. See how we go. Oh, fish on first cast. First cast. First cast. It's a big one. Boss! Boss! It's stuck. Malaki! It's stuck here. That's what you call hooking up on your first cast. Lucky. First cast. First cast. Yeah, it's here. Aye. First cast. 1, 2, 3, bang. It's just here.
Congratulations.
If we can, hopefully we can. What do I do?
I will get that one for you.
You sure? Be careful. You can see the wind on there. Oh no, he's just here. Oh, he's just close. He's close.
What is your bait?
That's the frog.
Oh, the frog?
First cast, man. I think it's a big one. I don't think it's the monster from the other day, but wow, one cast. Crazy. Let's hope we can get it out.
The big one, boss.
It's a big one?
Yep.
Oh, hey, well, thank you. Oh, yeah.
It's a big one.
That's the one maybe I dropped the other day.
That's 1 kilo.
Wow. 1 kilo? Yeah, wow. Awesome. Thanks, boss.
Yeah, good.
There we go. First cast.
Get it.
Oh, yeah.
You see, when the weather is
Yeah, I can't believe that.
cold.
Normally I cast 100 times. Wow.
So just one cast.
Well, one cast, bang. There's the famous snakehead. That's probably a kilo fish. I reckon the one I hooked in there the other day was bigger than that. I was calling 2 kilos, so it was longer and fatter. But that's, yeah, awesome. So that's fishing. Sometimes I cast hundreds of times for no strike. Today I cast once and that's it. Bingo. Pretty exciting. Stop recording. We have to be quiet because we don't want to scare the fish. Okay? Because you're dressed really bright. So I have the little nephew with me. Hopefully show him how to catch a fish. So you wait here, you wait there, because I'm going to cast from here. And I don't want to hook you. This is where I catch the dalag before, here. He's been begging me to go fishing, so he was Had a fever for a couple of days, so he's good now, so I thought I'd bring him out. Hopefully catch him some fish. He's been playing with a radio control car. Yeah, something different, take him fishing. We'll get some Jollibee later. We've got a little hut over there that we're sitting in. Not too hot, just a nice day to come out. Bring the little fella. He's only 4. Oh, you're malapit. Right, look at that tree. What's on that tree? You have a look here. There. What's that? This one. What is it? Calamansi. That's it. It's calamansi. And look around there. That's what I was telling you. See this one? That's the nest of the langam. The ant's nest. That's what I should tell you before on the video.
Oh my god. There, just there.
It could be on there.
Could be.
Yeah. You come here and wind with me. You ready? You hold this one. No, not this one.
Where?
You hold here. You ready? That's it. Yeah. That's it. Wind, pull it. Help. You have to help me.
Whoa,
You have to help me.
CJ!
You have to help me.
Whoa,
It's
CJ,
lucky.
your first fish!
Whoa, lift it. Whoa.
Whoa!
Lucky. Thank you.
What?
Wow, thank you. Good boy, good boy.
Whoa, give me.
Well done. That's his first fish. That's a
Whoa!
Talapia. We can eat that one. That's ulam. Mummy love will be happy.
Huh?
Mummy love will be happy with you.
Wow.
Good boy.
I'll send Mamila later. I will show Mamila.
Here, will you come and we'll get a photo.
Okay.
You come with me. You stand in front.
CJ's first.
Yeah. We'll keep it. Still biting, see? Still moving. Oh, come here, come here. Yeah, you wind, go. Wind. Whoa, it's a big one. Wow, awesome. It's a big one. Keep going, lift it. Whoa, big one. Okay, awesome. You catch another one. Wow, that's 3. Wow, 3. Oy. That's another tilapia. Bit slippery. Just trying to get that hook out of there. I think he likes the corn, not the bread. Awesome.
I like corn.
It's the malaki. And I dropped it. Oh, a bit messy.
The water.
Slippery and spiky.
Like you.
What is? What is? That's it. It's a bigger one. Keep going. He's winding it the wrong way. Keep going.
Only sabitin. Wait.
Keep going. It's big. Lucky.
Big one.
Big one. Keep going. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, wow. Okay, ready? Lift. Oh, it's heavy. Whoa, lucky.
Wow. Picture.
Wow. Are you
I'll get it.
too good? Here. Oh, look, it's doing heat. You got a picture with Mummy? Look at Mummy, Jen.
Look.
Wow.